What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video is going to talk about Samsung members and benefits and promotions, things that you can get from the Samsung members application. All right. Now, one way you can go find this application is if it's already installed on your mobile device. So you just tap on the search menu, type in Samsung members. Want to make sure the whole thing pops up, and it will be this one that popped up right there. You tap on that. Okay. Another way is make sure you're signed into the Samsung account that you want to keep as your main one. All right. So now, as you can see, this is the home page, the Explore section. You got benefits. You can view more. These are just some benefits that I qualify for on my Galaxy device. Okay. And then some recommended posts. You can follow the Samsung community on Reddit or Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. They have a community on all social platforms. So I'll leave all the links in the description box, and you can pick the best ones that fit you. They also got tips and tricks getting the best out of your Galaxy device. Keeping other ways to be productive on other devices with your Samsung cloud account and Microsoft and Google, all those type of add-ons. And of course, you got Samsung Shop. And I actually might open that application up and show you a little bit around now. So you also have a bottom tab called Get Help. Alrighty. Okay, so you can register your product for warranties and stuff like that, just in case it breaks or stops working. You can send it back to Samsung and they can fix it for you. You got different solutions. You know how to transfer content from PC to phone. You can send them error reports, feedbacks. Like I said, Samsung Care. Then we got a chat bot. Remote support. They got call customer service, and you can visit the Samsung mobile store if it's available in your area. Request services. Okay, and then down there is your My page. As you can see, it's blank. I mean, I really just start playing with it for real. So I get some more stuff going on, but I can edit all that and change all that. And yeah, if you want to, you go follow me on Samsung Members app for free. Okay, but let's go ahead and get into the benefits. All right, let's see what they got. So these are the benefits I qualify for. If I want to, I can get up to $150 instant credit with the latest Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup. Samsung Pay, I can sign up for the Samsung Insider discounts. The exclusive benefits of being a Z owner, if you are a Galaxy Z owner. All right. Reduce anxiety and sleep better for free. There we go. You gotta get that calm, baby. Gotta get that premium membership for free. All right. They also doing giveaways now. They're doing giveaways. You can win $500. Tap on that and read how to win and stuff like that. How to become a winner. YouTube Premium and Samsung. You get 4 months on Samsung for YouTube Premium. 4 months. So this is February. So you get YouTube Premium all the way up until like June or July of 2021, which is a really good deal. And even better with this, Spotify. All right, Spotify Premium, unlimited listening for 6 months with Spotify Premium on your Samsung Galaxy device. So you get a half a year of Spotify Premium for free. All right, that's if you haven't never had it before. Now, it's probably a workaround. I mean, I'm pretty sure you could create a new account with a new email and they'll still give it to you. But make sure you're not on the same account as before with the Spotify, so you get that 6 months for free. All right. Make sure you protect your Samsung Galaxy device. Okay, you could get social. Don't miss out on the new features, games, and rewards in the Galaxy App Store. All right. And they show you all different types of games and apps you can download from the Galaxy App Store. You get special perks and exclusives from the Samsung Galaxy Store. A lot of people don't talk about this. Okay. Samsung Tap and Pay. You already know about that. And like I said, the Samsung Shop, you get the app, you get to see what's new in the Samsung Shop store. Spread the love and get rewards. So I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description box. So anybody with a Samsung Galaxy device, click on my link. All right. Samsung TV Plus, free TV on Samsung. So you get free TV over data or Wi-Fi, and you download the Samsung TV Plus application, and you can mirror cast it to any casting eligible TV. That means Roku, Fire TV, Android, you name it. All right. So as long as you got casting capabilities, you can cast your Samsung TV streaming to another TV device. All right. So keep that in mind. These are all the benefits coming from the Samsung Galaxy. All right. Samsung members. Okay. So, and like I said, you got the community. All right. So this is the latest updates and news going on in the Samsung community. What I'm following, no content yet. Okay. We are through the benefits, news and tips. All right. Show you how to, like I said, show you how to get the best out of your Samsung Galaxy devices with other devices as well. All right. So that's basically it. That's the basically work around the overview of Samsung members. All right. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. If you don't have it on your Galaxy device, make sure you download it from the Galaxy Store or see if it's available on the Google Play Store. All right. Thank you for watching. It's your boy Two Phones.